been using the diffuser now for over 2 weeks. I'm perfectly satisfied with it. Very glad I bought it. In addition to using essential oils, I use Bath and Body Spray. I just spray as much as I want to in there. Usually it's a lot to get a gentle aroma in the room. It's supposed to hold 1,000 milliliters, which is a little over 4 cups. This is 2 cups that I'm adding in there, which is about what I put in there in the morning, and it runs all day. Are you looking for a large capacity diffuser? I found one that I'm very happy with. Stick with me and I'll show you the features of it, how it works. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link for this exact diffuser, as well as some other options that are available. The Aroma Diffuser Lift of Leisure Ultrasonic Vibration Atomization. Here's some technical specs. I bought this one because it holds 1,000 milliliters of liquid. It's supposed to have a remote control. Made in China, no surprise. Attention, the power cord and the remote are inside the container. Please pull out transparent chip before using the remote. So the diffused moisture will come out here. It has a wood grain looking base, but it's really plastic. There's 3 rubberized feet on the bottom. Has a light switch, a high-low, and the mist. Instructions. After using 5 to 6 times for 2 or 3 days, clean the product. Says not to use acids, enzymes, or detergents. Has a graphic with the components labeled. Safety regulations. Operation. Troubleshooting. And I guess these are in Chinese. So I'm going to clean it first. The lid just pops off. Looks like that on the inside. I have the remote control. Pull this out before we use it. I have a little measuring cup. And our power cord. This is my favorite essential oil, the Maya Temple blend. Even though this one's in a bottle that says white jasmine, I just pulled the label off of it. It's the Maya Temple blend. Gonna put a few drops in here. Take quite a few trips with this small container. And I think this has to be lined up with that. Should have put the power cord on first, huh? I already beat. And we have mist. That's a nice stream of mist. The instructions remind us that essential oils can stain and not to point this towards anything that might be damaged, like paint, wood, draperies, fabrics. Don't want to having it land on anything that can damage either. Let's see if the lights work. Looks like we have a pinkish purple. Darker purple. Purple purple. Green. Another green. And off. Checking some more features. You can press the light button, and that's what changes the light colors. You can press the high or low, and it changes the amount of the mist that comes out. You can touch the mist button. Right now it's on. You can see that little light above it. If I press it one more time, it's off. Press it one time, it's on the timer for 60 minutes. Press it again, it's on the timer for 120 minutes. One more time, it's on the timer for 180 minutes. And one more time, it's just on. Now it should be on high. Let's check the colors without the flash on the camera. I guess it has a strobe color and then a solid color. A strobe, solid, strobe, solid, strobe, solid, and no light. I actually think the light changes are just a light blue and a dark blue. My camera is making it look like the light is strobing, but in real life, it isn't. It just goes from a lighter color to a deeper color. Testing the remote. Cuts it off. Back on. You can have an intermittent mist. You can have a continuous mist. We can use this to set the timer. That's on 60, 120, 180. Now it's just on. Assuming this controls the amount of mist. Going from high to low, and then we can change the lights. So everything works the way it's supposed to. Great smell. Happy so far. To get the lights to change color, if you just cut it on, then it will go through all the colors. If you find one that you like, and you press it while it's on that one, it may go to the next color. That's how you get it to stay on a particular color. Just cutting it on one time, it's going to make it cycle through all the colors, which I like. Check in the text below this video and I will provide a link on how you can get this product or one similar. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a positive comment below. Remember, if you would like to purchase one of these yourself, check in the text below my video and also check in the comment section. I will have a comment pinned to the top with a link. Thanks. Stay safe. Stay serene. I'll see you next time.